Hi, my name is Tim Collett from Cambridge Numerical Control. We're here today at the Advanced Engineering Show 2018, showcasing MDC-MAX and NC-Base. MDC-MAX is a product which enables you to look at your entire shop floor. It gives you complete transparent visibility of all the machines, and it's completely Industry 4 compliant. The great thing about it is it runs in a web browser, so you can have it on a tablet, on your phone, on a widescreen TV, anywhere you want. And we can push the data into the cloud, so the visibility is there for all to see. Most of our customers now have been using this for some time. The web interface is new, but it's brought us a lot of new customers onto the stand. We're also showcasing NC-Base. NC-Base is a revision controls piece of software which works together with our DNC system to enable you to send programs to and from the machines and then actually keep every single revision of that program. When a program comes back from the machine, the operator then puts it into a queue, and an ME or a supervisor has to actually approve that change. Every change is kept in the database, every revision. When your auditors come round to look at your programs, you can right-click any file. It gives you a complete audit history, including all changes made. All of our products have been adapted well into Industry 4, and I think an awful lot of our customers now are getting onto the fact that Industry 4 is a big thing. It's a buzzword in the industry, but it's also a great byword for all of our customers to make sure that they are compliant with those standards. Most people don't really understand what Industry 4 means. It's simply allowing you to take data from your production systems and display it in a meaningful and easy to use way that other people can understand. It's great for managers, it's great for the business, and it gives you transparent data anywhere in the world. My name's Tim Collett. Thanks for watching.